Welcome to Mom's Trash Can. Let's see what's in the can today. Got a wax pack of Traks, Richard Petty 20th anniversary collectible race cards. I don't know what's in here. If there's like a possible Petty autograph or something, that'd be really cool, but I kind of doubt it. But anyway, let's take a look inside. Alright. Got neck and neck with the late model Charger that he ran. All smiles. We're following, again with the Charger. STP Pontiac, so this was in the mid 80s or so when he switched over to Pontiac. Southern Pride. Man of Miles. Line and Drive, again with Pontiac. Famous 43. That's one of the last Pontiacs he drove. Long Rider. Fan's Choice. High Bank. And Appreciation. Cool. So, no autographs, unfortunately. But, pretty cool nonetheless. Alright. That's it for the can today. See you guys later. Bye.